Makiria ma amemba 74,000 a Sacco ya borithi ni mahetwo kiraniro ni utongoria wa Sacco ino ati mbeca ciao ciri moko-ini mega thengia wa riboti ya ngukũmio iria ikoretwo igitherema nenda-ini cio kinyaniria. Muikariri gite wa Sacco ino David Mategwo ahinyiririe utonga wa ciringi bilioni 18 cia amemba citingĩiywo, akihithuria thina uria makoretwo makihurana naguo ni gutharara kwa motungata ma nenda-ini na thimu.
As we are talking now, all the members, everybody has received the money, and I can tell you 753 million has been withdrawn using the mobile application.
Undu uyu ucungiririo ni gicunjĩ kia 90 harĩ igana kia amemba kũiyũkia motungata ma nenda-ini, akiheana kiraniro gia kũhukia thina uyu. Augustine Muteshi memba agitariria thiriti yake na Sacco ino.
If you go visit even our offices, you go down to the banking hall, you will realize that there are no people, because the members are on a digital platform. If I take you to the screen where you can see the transaction going on, in a minute we are receiving more than 1,000 transactions.
We have some people who have raised concern about the ATMs and the app, which is bringing some problems. But to me personally, sijapata any problem about the app.
Mategwo ni okirire amwe a atongoria a Sacco aria marugamitio wira ni kwagarara mawatho na mitaratara ta kihumo gia riboti citari na muthingi.
If we have errand members who are in leadership, who are also doing things that are not, they have misconduct, then there is a procedure to take action against such errand members. So the procedure was followed, and in the ATM we suspended four delegates.
I would even believe whoever was shown on that media covering his face, I would think he's not a member of the Sacco. I would think he's not a member. It must be somebody being used by somebody who is an enemy, who has some other alternative motive.
Ameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau Wawajiko.